This is my Caseology case. This is my iPhone XS Max, a great phone. This keeps coming off, this plate. And, I'm gonna replace the adhesive on the back of the metal plate with this Gorilla double stick tape, which I have other videos about. I really like this product. It's a little bit wider than the backing plate from the Scosche. It's a Scosche magnetic car mount. So this is a little wider, so I'm going to trim it up and trim the corners so it will match. And we're going to put it on. I'll show you. So for one, the tape is a little wider, just a smidge, than the metal plate. So I'm going to have to trim off a little sliver at the side real quick. Normally it's hard to cut through tape, but because this is double-sided, I mean it's double-sided tape but it has a backer on it, it's easier to cut through. So I've got this now cut. I'm going to trim around the corners of it, make it match this, and we'll see what happens. All right, so I've got this set up. I'm going to do sticky side to sticky side, and then I'm going to get some alcohol and clean off the back of this case, and we'll stick it on there when we peel the backing off. All right, so that's my cutting job. Not the best, but if this holds, which this stuff is super sticky, I'm telling you right now. We use it on bed frames to keep modern mattresses from sliding around and other projects. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna clean this off. I'm gonna show you how it looks in my vehicle here in a second. All right, I couldn't find my alcohol, but I've got instead the Springdale 9% vinegar, which is different than most vinegar you buy like at the grocery store. This stuff is pretty epic cleaning agent. So we're gonna try how that works. Where the alcohol is, I don't know. It's got some dirt coming off of it. So this is what it's like when you peel that backing tape off, see? I mean, I'm sure the stuff Scosche is using is good, but this Gorilla stuff, double-sided stick, is pretty epic. All right, let me line this up, and then we'll go put it in the vehicle. All right, so I have it mounted. There's the magnet, well not magnet, the steel plate. The question is how long is this tape gonna hold? This double-sided tape, obviously it's very, very thin, so it's gonna be easy to replace if I need to do it again. Of course, I hope it lasts longer than a week, maybe months, don't know. Like I said, this is a Caseology case. It'd be cool if they made a case where it's the whole back of the part's metal. I realize that this may affect my wireless charging, but I do have a wireless charger we're going to check real quick, but we'll see. All right, this is my Amazon wireless charger. I've done some jockeying around with this. When you put the phone on and gets in contact, this blue light will turn green. So that's with the plate in place. Here we go. And it's charging. So I've learned though that if you, depending on where you set it down, you just want to make sure that it gets in the charging zone, because if it's like too far over, for example, see how it turns blue, that's not charging. So in this case, you want to, there we go, it charges. So that doesn't affect the wireless charging. Clicked in. There we go. So it takes a little, I guess, fiddling around, but it does work.